Hey YouTube, this is my soundbar, and excuse what I have, the mess of sunglasses, bandana, face mask, glasses, and remotes, and all that on here. This is my old bookcase. This is a Sony 32-inch soundbar. And this is a Sony subwoofer. This is good. This is the back of the subwoofer. Sorry I can't get it up a little bit more, but the wires, no, that something is pinching the wires, but have the HDMI cords going from my Amazon Fire TV stick that I have plugged in all the time. The PlayStation 4, the satellite box, all going to the TV, and I have the subwoofer wire, because I'm not using this subwoofer as a actual subwoofer. I'm actually using this as like a brain for everything. The cable actually goes over there to this Sony subwoofer, and it works and all that. This is I got this for free, this subwoofer, and that soundbar. Yeah, that soundbar I got for $16. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share.